Hello there. So you don't know how you can simply go ahead and log in using Proton Authenticator. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video, shall we? So in order to go ahead and log in using Proton Authenticator, you need to firstly set up your Proton Authenticator as your 2FA or two-factor authentication on any accounts. So, for example, if you want to go ahead and do it for Facebook, simply go ahead and open your Facebook and then head into your settings right over here and then turn on your 2FA, and it's going to give you a QR code that you can simply go ahead and scan using opening the Proton Authenticator application and tapping on create new code, and simply scan using your camera and it will be added right over here. It will simply go ahead and give you 6-digit codes every couple of seconds, and that is what you can simply go ahead and enter on your two-factor authentication code, and your account will be logged in. It is as simple as that. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you